Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today's topic is powerful, emotional, and deeply human. When life hurts, life has moments that shake you to your core, moments that leave you speechless, confused, and broken. Moments when you lie awake at night wondering, why me? We all go through pain, heartbreak, failure, rejection, loss, disappointment, betrayal. Sometimes the people you trust hurt you the most. Sometimes life throws punches you never saw coming. And sometimes even your own mind turns into your enemy. But listen closely. Pain is not the end of your story. Pain is a chapter, not the whole book. And today I want to walk with you through this chapter with honesty, strength, and hope. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's talk about what to do when life hurts. When life hurts, the first thing people do is pretend they're okay. They hide their pain behind a fake smile, behind jokes, behind busyness, behind distractions. But pain doesn't disappear just because you ignore it. Pain grows in silence. Healing begins with honesty. Sometimes the bravest thing you can say is, I'm not okay right now. And that is not weakness, that's courage. Because healing starts when you stop fighting your emotions and start understanding them. When life hurts, your mind often creates stories that make the pain worse. I'll never be happy again. No one cares about me. I can't handle this. But remember this. Pain lies. Your emotions are valid, but not every thought your mind creates is true. You have survived 100% of your hardest days so far. You're stronger than you think. When life hurts, people around you may not understand your pain. Some will judge you. Some will abandon you. Some will pretend they care only when it benefits them. But this is where life teaches you a powerful lesson. Not everyone is meant to stay. Some people leave to make room for those who are better for your soul. Instead of asking, why did they hurt me? Ask, what is this pain trying to teach me? Pain is a brutal teacher, but it teaches lessons comfort never will. It teaches you who you can trust. It teaches you what matters. It teaches you how to stand alone. It teaches you your true strength. Sometimes life breaks you to rebuild you. Sometimes losing something is the beginning of finding yourself. When life hurts, you might feel like giving up. You look at the world and think, what's the point? But listen carefully, the pain you are feeling right now is temporary. It may feel endless, but emotions change. Circumstances change. People change. You won't feel this way forever. There will come a day when you look back at this moment and say, I made it, even when I thought I couldn't. You just need to keep moving, even if the step is small. Healing doesn't happen all at once. It's slow. It's messy. Some days you'll feel strong, other days you'll feel broken again. That's okay. That's part of the journey. Progress is not measured by how fast you heal. Progress is measured by not giving up. When life hurts, surround yourself with things that remind you of who you are. Write, walk, pray, meditate, talk to someone you trust. Do something you love. You don't need to have every answer today. You don't need to fix everything in one night. All you need is to give yourself permission to heal, one day at a time. Don't rush. Don't compare your healing to others. Everyone has their own scars, their own battles, their own story. Your path is yours alone, and you're doing better than you think. When life hurts, remember this truth. You are not broken. You are becoming. Just like a muscle grows stronger after pain. Just like a diamond forms under pressure. Just like a seed must break to grow. You too are transforming through this pain. One day the things that hurt you will become the things that shaped you. One day the storm that shook you will become the story that strengthens others. One day you will thank yourself for not giving up. Your pain is not your identity. Your pain is not your future. Your pain is not your destiny. It's simply a chapter, and you are the author of what comes next. So if life is hurting you right now, take a deep breath. Place your hand on your heart. Feel that? That's strength. That's resilience. That's hope. That's the reminder that you are still alive, still fighting, still becoming. This moment will not break you. This moment will build you. And your future self, stronger, wiser, happier, will look back with pride that you survived a storm that once felt impossible. You are not alone. You are not finished. And the best chapters of your life are still unwritten. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.